My name is Kevin, and I'm the instructor for this course. I've been working as a software engineer since 2010 and teaching in online course platforms since 2018. I'm also a bootcamp instructor of Java programming based in South Korea and the author of a book called Starting Reactive Programming with Spring. Previously, I taught a course on RX Java through another platform in 2018 and published a book on reactive programming based on Spring Framework in Korean in April. Now let's talk about the course. First of all, this course will naturally lead you into the sophisticated world of reactive programming by explaining the core concepts of reactive programming in the easiest way possible. The course material will concentrate on essential skills so that you will stay in focus. Each chapter contains as much sample code as possible to help you familiarize with reactive programming. Finally, all the sample code we will talk about in this course are available on GitHub. Next is what's covered in this course. This course will first give you basic understanding of what reactive programming is and where and how it is used. After that, I will explain about the difference between blocking I/O and non-blocking I/O through illustrations and sample code so that you can understand the concept intuitively. The rest of the course will be devoted to fully understanding the implementation of reactive streams called Product Reactor. In this course, you will learn about the following skills to familiarize yourself with Reactor: Marble diagrams to understand reactive programming intuitively, difference between cold sequence and hot sequence, back pressure to allow you to properly process incoming data, scheduler to control the execution flow of thread. Finally, you will learn about methods to test and debug reactor sequences that rely on asynchronous operations. Next is the target audiences of the course. Developers who are interested in reactive programming. Developers who want to get a solid understanding of the basic concepts of Product Reactor. Developers who are interested in learning about reactive web applications based on Spring Framework. Developers who are interested in applications that perform better than Spring MVC-based applications. You might think that you don't need to learn about reactive programming and Spring MVC is good enough. But learning about reactive programming and making the skill your own is a way to take yourself to the next level as a developer. I'm confident that this course will broaden your perspective on programming by leaps and bounds. Thank you very much for giving up your valuable time for this course, and I hope you will stick with me until the end of the course.